there, it's me, SHANiA, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a list of my February favorites, and before I get into the video, I just want to let you know that this video is not sponsored. All of these brands and products that I mentioned are what I really like. Like, I'm not being paid to promote anybody or anything, so not yet anyway, but yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that. And also, before we get into this video, I just wanted to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel, and if you are subscribed to my channel, remember to turn on your notifications. Just go on ahead and click that little bell so that you can stay up to date every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get into it. So my first February favorite is Travis Garland, and he is another YouTuber, a creative musician, and I first found him through one of his covers. And what I love most about him is just he's so talented and his riffs are amazing. Like, especially in this song Abby Lee, his riffs are amazing. Well, in all of his songs, but it really like hit me when I heard this song. So check it out. My next February favorite is from Goddamn Zoe, and he's another YouTuber slash Viner. I actually discovered him when I was looking for random funny vines to watch, and I just love him because I feel like he's really creative with his content, and there are a lot of videos of his where he'll take other people's video and he will edit it so that it's as though he's actually having a conversation with the person, and it's just hilarious. Like, if you're ever looking for a good laugh, definitely check him out. And I always love how he always says, what was it? And it's just hilarious. So definitely head over to his channel and send him some love and support. My next February favorite is this DIY photo studio that I created, and what I love most about it is how professional it looks. It's definitely an upgrade for my channel, and if you want to learn how you can turn your small bedroom into a photo studio as well, then definitely just check out this tutorial here by clicking the I or checking the description box below. My next February favorite is this YouTube channel called the Reflex, and it's basically just a compilation of songs that have been remixed and revamped, and it's just nice to groove to, and I especially love listening to it at work, and this is my favorite one here. I told him, make me something that matches my lipstick color. So this here in hand is my next February favorite. It is the Berry Powerful Smoothie from the liquid Edea, and I just love this smoothie. It has berries, strawberries, raspberries, bananas, vanilla almond milk, vanilla whey protein, and flax seeds, and it's just so delicious. Like, I could legit have this every day for breakfast. Okay, maybe not every day, but I could definitely have it a lot. My next favorite for the month of February is TurboTax. More specifically, I love that they actually have personalized help. So if you click on the help button and you type in your question and you don't find an answer to the question that you have, you can actually choose to speak with a live specialist, and that specialist contacts you and you can see them on video, and then they can find a way to connect to your computer to help you with your taxes, and it's just amazing. So you should definitely sign up for TurboTax. My next February favorite are lentil patties, and not patties as in like burger style, but patties as in like Jamaican style beef patties. And what I love about these is that they are healthier because they have lentils inside instead of meat, and they're kind of like a fast food alternative for me when I want a quick treat, and I discovered them at my local health food store, so you should check your local health food store too to see if they have any. My next February favorite is from Tootsie Time, or also known as Diana, and she's another YouTuber that's just amazing. And more specifically, my February favorite is her song X. I don't know why, but it always gets stuck in my head because it's such a like catchy tune, and I really like it, and I feel like more people should hear it. So you should definitely head over to her channel and check out the song. She also has another good song called Bayless as well, so check them both out right now. I'm your fantasy, but you ain't
may say. On your playlist, nothing ever fades like it's stainless. You're acting like you wanna be bayless.
Next up on the list of February favorites is K-Time TV, another great YouTuber. What I really love about his channel is the really like kind of controversial questions that he stops to ask strangers on the street, such as should anyone be allowed to use the N-word, questions regarding relationships, how to know if your man is cheating on you, how to know if you should kiss someone on the first date, and things like that. And I just think that it's so nice and so brave and courageous to just take the plunge and ask questions that everybody wants to know what other people think about. So yeah, when you get the chance, head over to his channel and check out his videos because he's pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna enjoy my January favorites video as well. So just go on ahead and check out that video. You can find the link for it right down below in the description box. And yeah, until next time, ciao!